So this is the bionic arm we've been working on with a company called Open Bionics. They are a company based in Bristol, a UK company, small and young team, who's been developing prosthetic arms for a few years now. We've been in contact with them since last year. Our fans started to tell us that we should do something with Open Bionics, so we started talking with them, and they were interested in working with us to do something a bit different and create unique designs inspired by Deus Ex. The arm itself is made by Open Bionics. At Eidos Montreal we have artists and modelers working on the arms themselves. But we also worked with Razer and Intel to create a tracking software, which basically lets everyone control the arm with their own hand. So Razer has been developing a camera called Stargazer, which is based on an Intel technology called RealSense. It's basically the most advanced webcam in the world. So Razer has been working with us with this webcam, and Intel has developed this tracking software to be able to control the arm with your own hand. It's only the fingers for now, but obviously an amputee who would be wearing one of these arms would be able to move their wrist to some extent. Open Bionics is looking to make it available by the end of the year. Obviously they are still developing the technology, developing the look of the arm and everything, but by the end of the year it should be available.